Okay, good day everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how we can add an assignment and let the student check for plagiarism. Okay, so I have my course here, and this is Introduction to Economics course, and I'll go to classwork. So basically what I'm going to do is to show you what is the role of the instructor, and I'm going to show you on the other hand, what will the student do? That is, I will show you the work of the student and his screen. So let's delete this one, delete, okay. So we have wanna add, I have this course, I have here the assignments, chapter 1, chapter 2. I can create the assignment or the project anywhere. I can assign it here on chapter 1 or under chapter 2. So create, here we go, material assignment. Okay, and I will ask him, let's say project 1, okay. I can write here some instructions. Okay, and can also add a file here for the instructions, for instance, whatever the file. So here we go. I have one file here for my instructions, project guidelines. And so it's ready. Now, there are two things here that we have to do. First of all, as you can see, the file, the assignment is saved, or the project is saved. Okay, so far the student cannot see it. We can assign here to any part, any assignments, for instance, and here I have to check for plagiarism or originality. If I don't check for plagiarism or originality, the student cannot pass his assignment for the originality report, okay, for the originality check. So I have to check this one here. Now, I can have only 5 assignments, you can see here, okay. See, 5 assignments with originality report left. In each course, I can assign 5, I can give my student 5 assignments to check for originality. Okay, it doesn't matter how many students I have, but I can give them assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, assignment 4, assignment 5, or assignment 1, 2, 3, and project 1, project 2. Okay, for all these assignments and projects, they can pass them to originality check. Okay, so because this one is my first assignment, 5 assignments with originality reports left. Now, when I do this one, I will have 4 left. Okay, here we go, continue, check for plagiarism. Okay, now if I go back to my classwork, here we go, classwork, I can see project 1 here, but it's in gray, it's not in black, because it's not assigned yet. So I go back to my assignment, to the assignment, and I'll say assign. Of course, I can add here a due date if I want, but forget it for the moment, and then I'll assign. Whenever I click on assign, the student will receive an email. Okay, so I'll assign it. Assign project 1, it has been assigned. Okay, great. As you can see, under people here, I have one student who is student. So what I will do now, here the role of the instructor is over for the time being. What I will do now, I will go to the student email and see what the student will see. Okay, here you go. This is the student here. And the email has not been received yet. Let me pause the record. Okay, now the student has received, it says no assignment project one. Okay, instruction here, open. Okay, of course, the student can read these instructions that I've typed here, and the student can also download the project guidelines here. Okay. Okay. Now, the student has already, by this time, has already prepared his project. Okay, and in Word. The main trick here is that the student cannot submit a Word document as is in this case. What the student has to do is to go to add or create, okay, and he should create a Google Doc, create a new Google Doc, okay, there you go. So, okay, now the student can open his document here, and of course this is a blank document. Okay. Uh, what we can do also, the student will go to his file and select everything, copy, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. So, okay, here we go. There are two things here. One, if the student feels that his format has changed, he can send along this project a PDF copy of his original work. Yani he can go to his project here, save it under as PDF file, save as whatever, okay, save as, and of course he can save as a PDF here and send it to his instructor. That's one thing to do. Now, the other thing is sometimes when the student do this work for the first time, Google Doc will not allow him to copy paste. So the student in this case has to add, has an add-in. He has to add it, and Google will drive him to do so. Okay, so now everything is ready, and what as a student, what I should do in this case, I have to share. Okay, so share in this case is a sort of saving. Okay, I have to make sure here that nobody else is here. So student, Nasri Harb, and the course. Done. Turn in means the submission. Share means saving. Okay. Well, what do I have to do next as a student? So I'll close here. Okay. I close this one here. Okay. And I will go to originality report as a student. Still, I'm the student here. And run. I can run for each project or for each assignment. I can make 3 times, originality report check. So now I'm using my first one. Run. See, 25% already checked, 88%, and view originality report done. So the student now can open his file, his originality report, and see what he has. So what he can see in the percentage here, click on percent, he can see 38% cited or quoted content. What are these content that have been quoted? Okay, see. Okay. Wow, these are all the ones that have been quoted. So what the student will do in this case? He can go, for instance, he go back to his file. Okay. He will go to his file here. And And let me see here. For instance, let's remove the last paragraph, or the student can either remove it or re-edit it. I will remove it to simplify my task here. Okay, here we go. And remove delete. And let me share it again. Done. And this one is done. So now let's check. Let's go to the originality report again. Run again. So now I still have 2 out of 3 reports available. Run. So it's checking 25%, 63, 63%, and done. Let me see it. Now percentage, oh, 39%. So it hasn't changed a lot. Let me see what are they. Okay. So let me remove this one here. This is a huge text. Again, the student can re-edit or paraphrase his paragraphs. Basically, we accept 20% maximum. So let me go to my document. And this is the paragraph that is causing the trouble. Share. Done. So let me go back to my file and run at the third one. So this is the last one. 1 of 3 report left. Okay, run it. %. Okay, done. So, okay, percentage. Okay, we are at 19%. That's fine. And the student can also see where the, okay. So he can now, everything is ready, and the student can now submit his work. Note, let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. Note that if the student now assume that he made some changes and he want to resubmit it for originality check. Okay, no more originality report available for this assignment. So the student should be aware. Okay, we cannot give him another chance. If you want to make a change or anything, he cannot submit it for originality. And we require him to submit for originality. يعني we want the last report. Okay, the last submission. Okay, طيب. The student has finished. Now he has to turn in. Turn in Google Classroom means submit to the instructor. Turn in. Okay. We'll go back to the instructor's screen. Here is the instructor screen, and here is the classwork. Okay, project 1. Okay, turned in. We have one that has been turned in, and let's go and see it. So turn in, and let's see it. Okay. As you can see, this is the report. Okay. Now I click on this item here on this, okay, on this one here, where I can see the originality report. Okay, no, not this one here. See history. Okay, so this is what the instructor will see, the project of the student, and he goes to here. This blue writing in passages, and we can see the report, and by clicking here on percentage point, he can see 19% cited or quoted content. And the instructor can click on this one and see what are these quoted content. Okay, so furthermore, as an instructor also, I can add some comments, for instance, here, and comment, blah, or English mistake, English, okay. I can write something here. Okay, again, another comment. This concept is not accurate. Okay, and so on. And I can give the student a grade, let's say 70. All right, so here we go. Return this submission. Return. Here we go. Okay, return. Oh, okay, everything. If you can, you may write some comments here if you want. But now let me go back to the student screen and see what he will see. Okay, student will see here. Okay, that's his project. Okay, let me go back. So this is the, okay, he will go to classwork and he will go to project one, view assignment, and he can see his grade here, 70 over 100. Okay, and if he opens his document, okay, he will see that the instructor has added some comments here. I'm not sure, no, he cannot see the comments apparently. Okay, and that is it. يعطيكم ألف عافية جميعا and have a good day.